Hi, good morning, guys. Today we're going to review this bad guy. My vehicle was not starting from past couple of months. It was standing here. We did not run, and I bought this bad guy today. I bought the other one, the smaller version. It didn't work. It did not start my vehicle, and let's see if this guy starts my vehicle, and we can review after that later on. Let's see. Let me plug it in. The okay, so plus on plus here. And minus on minus. Okay. And it's already turned on. See, it's just giving us 11.9 volts. It's already turned on, and let me start the vehicle. Okay. Oh, here you go. It started in one go. So let's see. So it did start it this time. It worked. Just give me 1 second. Let me just. Okay, it's off now. Okay, so it's 14.3 volts, and it's very powerful device. Let me just turn off, and vehicle turned off for some reason. Let me see what happened. Turn off. Okay, and let me see why that vehicle turned off. Let's see again. Oh no, my daughter just pushed the ignition switch, so it's working now. It's all good. It's working now. Okay, so now we have to turn it off the engine, and remove all cables. Alian. On the other side. Okay. So he's going home now. Okay, so let me